The story did not end well for this crow, but if we are careful today, we can save our future. Studies predict that more than 50% of the world's population could suffer water shortages by 2050 due to climate change, increased demand, and polluted supplies. Going by the statistics, 40% of India's population will face scarcity of drinking water by 2030. Already, 163 million people do not have access to safe drinking water, putting India at 120 out of 122 nations in terms of water quality. In order to ensure enough supplies for the increasing population, we need to save water and do it today. Even though 71% of the earth is made up of water, less than 1% of the total fresh water is available for human consumption in the rivers, lakes, and streams. The rest of it remains trapped in glaciers, ice caps, and groundwater. The water available on Earth is limited. It keeps changing form and moves from below the Earth to the surface, onto the atmosphere, and back into the ground. We need to be aware and conserve every drop of water. As an individual, we can adopt these small measures today. Don't keep the tap running while brushing your teeth or washing your hands. Take a 5-minute shower as against a 10-minute one. It can save up to 30 liters per day. Fix that leaking tap. One drop every second adds up to 19 liters per day. Do not throw the water in which you rinse the vegetables or pulses. Use it to water your plants. Avoid washing utensils under running water. Try washing them in a water-filled sink. In case you use an RO filter, collect the water discharged and use it for mopping the floor or washing the car. Use a bucket of water to wash your car, not a hosepipe. As a community, we can ensure the continuous supply of water in future by adopting these water conservation measures. Rainwater harvesting is a simple way to collect water for emergency use as well as recharge the groundwater level. We can help keep our water sources clean by not throwing waste or releasing sewage water into the water bodies. Sewage treatment plants can help recycle water as well as prevent water pollution. We need to ban the use of groundwater except in dire circumstances. By preventing encroachment along river banks, we can prevent shrinking of our water bodies. Planting trees in the catchment areas can help preserve the water bodies. Signs of water scarcity can already be seen in our towns and villages. Village women fetching pots of water over long distances or people queuing up for the water tanker in cities. If not resolved in time, water shortages may lead to inequalities and conflicts in the future. So water conservation is the key for the very survival of mankind. Save water, save the future.